I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. Got that gas.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we are on to part 3 of this 3-part series to whip my hair back into shape. Never mind the fact that it's been a while. I can explain, but then again I can't. So in this part we're going to be actually styling. So in the first part we took down my old crusty braids, and the next part after that we washed my hair and got it prepped, and in this part we are actually doing the styling. So to figure out what hairstyle I did what most self-respecting people did, and I took to the internet. More specifically, I took to Pinterest. I was trying to find something that's simple for me to do on my own, and something that was going to be cute and that was going to last a while as well, because I don't like fiddling around with my hair, so I wanted to keep it simple. I searched different braid hairstyles, things that I knew that I would be capable of with my braiding abilities, and I came across this. These are, I guess, considered the pop smoke braids, but I consider them like the, just the traditional feed-in, almost tribal-ish-esque, I don't know, but I decided to do these braids, and they were actually pretty simple. You'll see in the video that my parts are not the best. I'm not the best at parting, and I'm not even trying to fake the funk about that, but my feed-in game is getting pretty strong, y'all. Like, it's getting pretty strong. So if you guys want to see how I got these braids, make sure to stay tuned, and I will be showing all of the products that I use in this video as well. So to do these braids, I'm really only using 3 products. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you up front. I'm using Mael Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. I'm using Murray's beeswax to kind of mold my hair and make it stay. And I'm also using some edge booster, edge tamer, edge control to help define my parts. Super duper simple. Didn't really feel the need to use anything extra. So yep, that's all I'm using, and I'm just gonna braid my hair. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not really gonna talk much in this video, and yeah, watch what I'm doing. Let's see. If you guys are wondering why I'm in my daughter's room, it's because she has the only floor-length mirror in the entire house. So as a reminder, this video is not really as much as a tutorial on how to do feed-in braids as it is just me showing off the style. If you guys actually want like an in-depth tutorial on how to feed in braids, let me know and I can go ahead and make one for you. But for this one, I was really just focused on getting the style done and not really showing like the technique that I use to feed in hair. But I can definitely do that for y'all if y'all want me to. So in this part, I'm really showing you guys up close like how big of a section that I'm taking for these feed-in braids, because I didn't want them small, but I didn't want them super big either. So yeah, I'm just showing you how big the sections are and also how many pieces of hair that I have for each section, and I kept it equal for every single braid, so all of my braids were the same size. tried to tell y'all parting wasn't my strong suit. I'm over it by this point. So we're on the last braid. This is all the hair I have left, so we gonna have to make it the last braid, which, I mean, it is. There's an equal amount of braids on each side. So I'm finally dividing this thing up, and it's actually the perfect amount of hair. Thank God, because I had other packs of hair, but I honestly truly just did not want to open this up. Just getting some of that L. Pull it through. Taking the berries. Not berries. I don't know. This thing always wants to focus on my face, but just berries. Put that at the top to make it grippable. I actually, now that I've used or braided my hair a couple times, let me pause this. Now that I have braided my hair a couple of times, like, I can honestly say that I prefer Murray's over like using jam, for the sole purpose that jam actually like curls up my hair. And if I'm like trying to blend my ends, like I don't want my ends to be curling. And obviously, like, the products, the moisturizing products that I'm gonna use are going to curl my hair, and like the Murray's kind of like straightens the ends out. So that's why I prefer that one. Last piece. If y'all wonder why I do this, it's because I have to like put it together, and then like, I don't know, it's like a conscious thing where it helps me grip it better. I don't honestly know if it does. Okay. Y'all, my birthday is on Monday, May 11th. I'm gonna be 29 years old. Next year is the Dirty 30. We're just gonna finish this up. Of course, like, these are actually really long. I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I used. I used the Spectrum. I have bought this way before quarantine started. I have bought like 3 or 4 packs of it to do my box braids that I've had in the last few videos, but like there's so much hair in those packs that I only used like 1 full pack and then like a little teach out of the pack that I used today for these style, I just use like the pack, like the one pack. So I have like a whole other pack left that I can use on my hair for another braid style. And I think I did pretty decently on these. I know the parting is a little off in the back, but you know what? That's as good as it's gonna get for me right now. Like, I did pretty decent for me doing them by myself. I was occupied a lot. Right now it is 5:47. I got some things to do, but it's 5:47. I started this around noon. I started this around noon, but like I was also like working, so I had to keep stopping. So this is, hey, let me zoom out. Y'all can see, I'll show y'all like a full body when it's all like dipped or whatever, but like this is what the ends look like right now. Clearly like they need to be dipped. But what I'm gonna do right now before I get them, because I have to boil some water, is, okay. So I have my mousse and I have my scarf. I'm gonna be using the Lotta Body, I'm not even really sure, but this is the Lotta Body foam and wrap coconut and shea oils wrap me foam and mousse that I'm gonna be using. And I'm just gonna be putting a real ignorant amount on my head. Oh no. I like using this kind because it like smells really good. And the mousse is really just used to like set the style. And then I'm gonna use this like satin do-rag that I have. If my sound sounds weird, I'm sorry. I didn't intend on talking and I don't have my mic plugged in. So if my audio sounds a little off, that's the reason why. Okay. Put this on. There's a knot in it. Okay, and we're gonna let this sit and dry. I have some things that I gotta do right now around the house, so I'm gonna let it dry while I'm doing that. And I will check back after I have dipped my ends and I have them all styled. So I'll be back. Okay, so I lied. I'm not back. I didn't come back and film an outro. Well, actually, I did film an outro, but I actually hated the footage. And so I am just going to go ahead and show you a couple of pictures of how my hair looked. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, thumbs it up. It super helps me out. Also subscribe and leave a comment below on what you'd like to see next. I love you guys. Bye.